Guys, welcome back to my channel. Sister Malika, aka Hidden Curls, coming to you with another video. So today, guys, I just wanted to pop on here. It is wash day. It's wash day. So I wanted to pop on here and show you guys what my hair looks like prior to being washed. So this is what your girl's looking like. And look, how disrespectful. How disrespectful can that gray be? Okay, how disrespectful. And why does it have to be like right there? Like, why? Why? Yes. Yes, the gray. So I'm going to pop on here. Today is wash day. Show you guys what my hair looks like prior to me shampooing it. And this is what I'm looking like. Let me turn around so you can see the back. That is the back. That's what I'm looking like back there. Yes. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, my lock studio will be opening soon. It will be opening in January. I will be having a video up soon regarding that to share the space with you, share the name and all the things. Also, I'm thinking about taking another class regarding the lock studio. So as you know, that I took the Sisterlocks consultant training course. I took that in September. It started and I finished in October. And so now, and I took a coloring class regarding the Sisterlocks. You know, the effects that the color has on the Sisterlocks. And I just think that these things are important to know if you plan on locking somebody's hair, like the different stages that the hair goes through, the different things that affects the locks. And also, I'm not into styling locks, but what I am thinking about doing is taking a class on the sprinkles, right? So I want to do the sprinkles class because I want to add sprinkles to the hair. So there is a class. It's pretty expensive too. I looked into it. I'm like, what? That sprinkles training costs that much? But your girl's going for it because, you know, that's about all the styling I'll be doing is adding sprinkles to the hair. I'm not doing anything else because I'm just not, as you can see, I don't really style my hair. I just don't, you know. I just let the locks do what they do. But I do think that the sprinkles will look really cute in the hair. You know what I mean? And plus that, you know, they're little teeny small little balls that goes throughout the locks. And they're not heavy ornaments on the hair, which causes, you know, issues with the locks and thinning and, issues with the locks and thinning and things like that. So if I'm going to do something, then I think that the sprinkles class would be beneficial because that is something that I'm definitely interested in doing. So I will be taking the sprinkles class soon, very soon. I haven't signed up for it yet. I just been, you know, investigating and doing my little research regarding it and pricing it out because it's like different levels to it, you know, to the class and all. So I'm definitely going to look into that. I'm in the process currently for the paperwork for the lock studio. So in the process of that, forming the LLC, but the actual studio is done. I'm done with that. Just have to add a few pictures to the wall and get my, order my sanitizer, my disinfectant, well, sanitizer, probably the Barbicide. Have to order that and like little containers to put that in. And that's about it. Other than that, it's done. So soon as I get that, I did do a quick little video. I'll show you guys that in another video. So I'm trying to get all my little videos together. So I'll show you guys that. And you guys can tell me what you think. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm ready to go and wash my damn locks. Yes. Look, guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. You know, ask away. This is definitely a journey. I still have no problems. I'm still loving my locks. I have no complaints whatsoever. Anything new I'm doing to my hair? Absolutely not. But I will say this. I am moving forward, instead of using the tap water from the spigot to spray my scalp, I will be using the bottled water, the distilled water. So I'm going to start using that and see if I see a difference, because I noticed that some people say they use a distilled water, and different articles and things that I've read, it says, to use the distilled water. So I'm going to start using that distilled water like on my scalp. Like if I do spray my scalp, during a week or whatever, because I don't spray my locks, because I actually have heard recently um, a horror story regarding that spraying your locks daily, it causes, one person had to wind up cutting her locks off because she got a fungus because of the mildew. Now, was it actually from spraying her locks daily? But from what I understand, the locks became mildewed, and she wound up getting a fungus. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I guess, that's what I know. What's her name? Talia Ali. Talesia. She actually did a video on it saying that this person lost their locks from spraying water on it every day. So, and then I do know that, oh my God, I can't think of her name, but I've said her name before. I tell you, my brain cells, y'all, your girl could be stepping into 63 in another week. Matter of fact, and next Monday, your girl is going to be stepping into 63. So, you got to forgive me when I be pausing like, what was I about to say? And I know my dolls over 60 can understand. Y'all can relate, right? Yeah, so just be careful and be mindful what you're doing to your locks, because it can affect the locks. It can affect the locking process if you're not already locked. So just be mindful of different things, like spraying your locks with water every day. First of all, it's unnecessary, to my understanding and knowledge. Sometimes you do get the dry, itchy scalp. Just spray a little scalp with a little water. But don't spray your locks every day with plain water. I just don't think it's necessary. There's no need for that. Some people do have a spray that they use, like maybe a rose water, or some kind of rose water mixture, or something of that nature that they usually use on their locks. But even that, I don't think that they do that every day. Okay, so look, guys, subscribe, comment down below, share, hit that notification button so you can be notified the next time I upload my next video. Until the next time, guys, peace. I'm out.